Guys, Zach over here, Pioneer Hills of YouTube Canada. Today we talk about Brother Bear and the Brave Little Toaster. The Brave Little Toaster. What's all of it? Brother Bear and the Brave Little Toaster. I can't get VHS tapes out. It was so hard, so I'm going to review Brother Bear. Here's the front. There's a 2-disc special edition. There's two bears, goats or llamas. Oh, I can't name his animals. And 2 guys and moose. They appear on the commentary. Now, here's the front. This is a Brother Bear logo. There's a picture. Dad and Coda. And there's special features. It has what and take, and the crew commentary. There's a picture of a human. There's 3 guys. There's Coda dancing to root, butt, and teak. Now let's open it. Here's a disc. Here's another disc. I need to say. And D-I-S-C. Here's a DVD. I'm not going to watch that. I liked two. I can't read it. So let's have the book. We're not going to do a sequel, and we're not going to do the Brother Bear sequel, Brother Bear 2, and we're not going to do the Brave Little Toaster sequel movies. Today we're going to review the Brave Little Toaster. Hang on. There's the bear, the human turns into the bear, and it's similar to humans and bears in the anime cartoon. Humans and cartoons sounds like Who Framed Roger Rabbit. I'm not going to read the credit. I'm not going to read the description. You can pause it here, or you can't see it. So we don't do Brother Bear. We are going to do Brother Bear sequel or Brave Little Toaster sequel. Brave Little Toaster Goes to Mars and the Brave Little Toaster to Rescue. So let's start off the Brave Little Toaster. The Brave Little Toaster came in the 80s from Disney. It's similar to Toy Story. It's City of Light and other Brave Little Toaster musicals. And let's start with characters. There's Toaster, Talking Toaster, and the Ramp, the Talking Ramp. Kirby, the Talking Vacuum Cleaner, and the Radio. It's got no face. And the Blankie, the Talking Blanket, and the Talking Blanket. It's yellow. Looks like a button. It's similar to the move mode. Also looks like a button similar to the quick mouse from Windows 10. So we done the characters. Brother Bear and the Brave Little Toaster. See, I hope you're done watching it. Before I leave the video, we're going to review on January. It's Cars and Credits spoof, the Pixar spoofs. It features old Pixar movies And that's it. I'm done watching, and now you'll sign off. We'll see you again real soon.